Hello everyone, welcome to Pixum Studio. Today in this video we are talking about how to send and receive message without connecting your mobile phone and use 4 devices at same time using WhatsApp beta version. Let's move to video. As first step, take your mobile phone and open WhatsApp mobile app. Then click on these 3 dots. Then select link device. Now select multi-device beta and join with beta version. Then back. Next, link a device, and also you can link 4 devices using this method. Now you can send and receive message without connecting mobile phone and use with 4 devices same time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and be creative.